Good morning, everyone. Today is the 14th of June, 2018. It's a Thursday morning. Opening up the charts, once again, they're showing market is at the all-time highs. The RTY is at the all-time highs, represented by my box here. Green line is the highs. We don't trade if we're within 10 points of the all-time highs. Market moves, or the RTY, I should say, moves in unpredictable ways, so choosing not to get involved with unpredictability. We like to have the advantage, if you want to call it that. We can understand what's going to happen with a high degree of probability a majority of the time. So if we're dealing with a scenario where we're blindfolded, why even bother? That's the way we look at it, and that's the way we treat it. So anyway, the GC has an opportunity approaching, I see, off on another monitor here. Let me scoot over there, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, this puppy right here is about to have another leg down, a couple legs down possibly. I'm waiting for him to finish going up, giving us the confirmation that we have the advantage going short. Could be a pretty long run, but we're only looking for 3 points. So let's see how that works out. If we're done going up here, I'm looking for a short. At closer inspection, I believe this is what's going to happen. We could go up quite a ways here. Have a leg down and a leg up. We hit target up here. This is where we're going to start coming down. So let's see how that works out. This is a very tricky scenario because we're dealing with two pressures opposing each other. There's pressure up and there's larger pressure down. So it all revolves around when is this smaller pressure up going to be finished, and when is that stronger pressure down going to take over. I'm just waiting for it to play itself out here. It's telling me what it wants to do. I'm just waiting for confirmation. Here's what it's telling me it's going to do. It's going to go up 62, possibly the 100, something like that. And then I'll evaluate it here for the trip to the downside. Okay, here's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing the trip down first. So, got in with a short right here. I don't believe we're going to push to the upside. If we do, it's not going to be very far. I think we're going to take the trip down right here, right now. So I got a signal and I went short. Let me figure out where my target should be. Be right back. Hey, target's down here, looking for 3 points. There we go. Wonderful. Marvelous. Writing was on the wall. I just needed to listen to it and understand what it was saying. And it told me it wanted to go down before it wants to go up. So down is a larger move than the up. So I just took a educated guess and analyzed it and decided to go to the downside. Here we go, pushing down. Wonderful. Charts didn't let me down. I said they were going to go down, so I took them for further word for what they were saying. Coming up to a great area to add on. As soon as this guy turns to the downside, be a great place to get in or to add on. I'm just going to watch it. I'm not going to participate, but it'd be a great place to actually get in if you didn't get in back here. There we go, just got the signal right here. target would be the same. If we did get in this trade here, our stop loss would have been one tick behind the pivot. As it came up, we'd still be in the trade. Pushing down nicely here, halfway to target. I just went to break even +1. It's above this pivot here. Autopilot, nothing to worry about here. Can walk away and things are going to do what they're going to do. I covered everything right here. Saw signs of weakness, bird in the hand. Got 2.4 out of the deal this morning, and I'm happy with that. Guys, have a great day. Have a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Well, good decision, Horst. Glad I did what I did. Well, it's not me doing it. The charts told me this is your last chance. I believe we're going to do something different here. We're going to pop to the upside. How far? Don't know, but there's going to be a change here. So the market was telling me if you want to grab what you got off the table, this would be a great time. Don't wait much longer. So I got out a little bit earlier. I could have gotten out here. The definite signal here was here that it was going to pop to the upside. So a little premature, but I'm glad I did what I did. Saw the danger signals and acted accordingly. Going with your gut, okay, I definitely wanted to stay for the 3 points, but the chart says I'd advise against that. You're better off taking what you have off the table and skedaddling out of here. So I did what I did based on what the indicators were telling me I should do.